That's the story of our love. Ever since we said hello, Coo-ee-po, I love you more today, yes today. But
Always sad when it's raining on your holidays, so we need the rain, otherwise no waterfalls. Next stop, Sacred Falls. Inside this valley coming up to the front right, got a helicopter departed, you can see off him off our right side. There's another one inside, we'll wait for a moment. There were trails, but they closed it to the public after the 1999 landslides. Don't go hiking to a waterfall when it's raining out. Sacred Falls, you can see it way back there front right side. We'll get close to do some turns, we'll wait for the other helicopter to leave. Tallest constant waterfall, 1,300 feet. We'll do some turns inside the valley, look way in the back, round up, top down, different layers, kind of goes by fast, a little bumpy. There are waterfalls you can hike to. If you're staying in Waikiki, the closest one would be Manoa Falls. A bit further of a drive, Monowili Falls. That one, people climb up to the top and jump off into the water. Crazy. Alright, first to the front left side, then we'll turn it in and to the front and right side. Sacred Falls, front left.
Hearing the owl's midnight call, whispers from the ocean shell, whispers that you and I can tell.
Off we go. You're not going anywhere. Hey, off we go.
An island, one of a kind, one of a kind.
You see all these light green bushy trees everywhere. Our state tree, the kukui nut. I'm sure you've seen those kukui nut leaves and bracelets. A little bumpy over the koalas as we head back to Dole and Pearl Harbor. No worries. If you haven't done your island hops yet, highly recommend it. They all have their very beautiful, unique personalities. Blue Horn Helicopters flies of all the major islands. Maui, Kauai, Big Island, out of Waikoloa, and Hilo. Hikers down below, hiking trails all around, over 80 on this island alone. See all those barren spots here and there from previous landslides. Be careful. Always check the weather before you go hiking or anywhere. Especially in Hawaii, the weather changes so quickly. Mostly Forest Reserve out here. Lots of trails, some military training facilities. Might get a little rainbow here coming up to our left side as we get in front of the sun. There we go. Little turn. No loitering, they say, but oh, it's a rainbow! Yay! Oh, beautiful. Best way to see a rainbow from the air. Okay, they're yelling. Let go. The highest peak on this island, still covered by clouds. You need a bag? A bag? Are you okay? Front right side clouds up top, Ka'ala. Ka'ala, just over 4,000 feet. Not much in comparison to Haleakala over on Maui, over 10,000 feet. Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, on the Big Island, just under 14,000 feet. We've got the two most powerful telescopes in the world up top Mauna Kea. They say you can view 90% of all visible stars from Earth from up there. And it snows in Hawaii. It'll snow up there when we get a nice thunderstorm. Down below, beautiful African althesias. They look like dainty little umbrellas or broccoli. They've got gorgeous canopies. Gorgeous drive when you're on the H3. We have over 200 different species of trees on the islands. You see the saddle to the front right, the low point, that's the Kole Kole Pass. There's actually a really beautiful hiking trail there. You can go all the way to the top. I didn't make it all the way to the top, it's kind of scary. But from to the right of that pass, all the way down to almost Kaena Point is all military restricted airspace. And back at Dole, front right, there's also a train ride you can do out here, Pineapple Express. Goldfield Barracks, front right, back to Wheeler and Pearl Harbor. Lots of red exposed in the dirt from the iron oxide, also known as rust. That's where that company comes from, the Red Dirt Sure. Have you folks heard of it? They're over on the mainland as well. A tragedy turned into a good thing. Back in '92, Hurricane Nikki just missed Oahu, hit Kauai. Lots of homes and businesses destroyed. One was a small t-shirt pressing company. The store flooded, all their shirts ruined, not really destroyed, so they pressed on. Good thing everyone loved their color, now they dyed with the dirt on purpose. With their Army Airfield all fire right, way out front right at Barber's Point, the southwest corner of Oahu. Next to it is a small airport, Kalailoa. That's where the Coast Guard and small aircrafts will train.
Nakapuana au hewa hia